Really wonderful set if you want to model modern concrete sleeper track with super elevated curves. Hi, this is Marlin here at Hearns Hobbies. I wanted to talk to you guys quickly about this Kato Unitrack Double Track Set. This is a wonderful product from Kato in N-gauge, utilizing their very popular Unitrack system. What makes this particularly unique, other than being a double track arrangement, is that it has super elevated curves. As you can see, it's demonstrated by this photograph here. So real railways, prototype railways on main lines, particularly where there's high speed, will actually super elevate or bank the curves. So the train actually leans into the curves. And this is quite realistically simulated using this system. If you're laying your track by hand, this is a very difficult thing to achieve by putting the bank into the track. So Kato decided to release a set where that is already incorporated. So let's open the box and have a closer look. So this is a track set only. So a power supply would be required. And just in the box you get the track pieces you need, a railing tool or re-railing tool, which allows you to put your locomotives and carriages down this ramp and onto the track, making the wheel flanges meet the track a much easier thing to do. And the special tool for removing the uni-joiners between the rail pieces. If you buy a lot of Kato track, you end up with a lot of these things. And inside the box you also get your instructions. Just having a look at the back, you can see the arrangement. It's like a dog bone shape, a dog bone oval shape. This is variation 11 in their series of track variation sets. There's quite an expansive range, and they can be, in most cases, combined together to create all different sorts of arrangements, either predetermined ones or using your own imagination to create your own track plan or layout depending on what your needs and space might be. You can see here how you can combine this with the Master Starter Set or the Master 2 Starter Set and a few other variation sets to create these really unique arrangements, which is super cool. The overall arrangement though, out of the box, is this one here. Cool. Okay, so just having a look at this roadbed, you might be able to tell by looking at it from a profile view that the curves are banked. That's quite a neat design feature. And also these feature concrete sleepers or ties. So if you are modeling model era, like the modern era, or say like modern Australian, for example, where concrete sleepers are the norm, this would look really good. The Unitrack system is very easy to snap together. What you need is a flat surface, ideally, and you just push them together as such. There's a very satisfying snap. And then they just remove it, simply pull apart. Really great system if you, for example, don't yet have a permanent setup, or you don't have space for a permanent setup, but you'd like to be able to set something up on, say, like a dining room table. That's one of the great advantages of using Unitrack over a lot of other options, is that it's very flexible in terms of putting up and taking down, and easily expandable for the future as well. So yeah, wonderful track set, especially if you're trying to simulate modern mainline with super elevated curves and concrete sleepers. Well guys, that's a quick look at Kato's V11 Double Track Set. So a really wonderful set if you want to model modern concrete sleeper track with super elevated curves. Great set. All you need to do is just add a power supply, and you can expand with whatever Kato Unitrack pieces you want, and away you go. Thanks very much. Have a great day.